Good morning, all of you. Here are we will study about the silent feature of the Constitution. First one is the lengthiest question. We can say that the long narrative Constitution. Here, description of the because this Constitution has the 25 parts and 471 articles. Here are the 470 articles, but it has added the one article also. So we can say that it is a long narrative constitution or written constitution drawn from various resources. We have borrowed Indian constitution from the many more countries. Here in description of the Act of 1935, because this is the act which we have most of things we have taken from this act. So we can say that there is a sources. And the next one is the Australia, Germany, USSR, or Russia, France, or South Africa, Japan. We have taken a lot of things. For example, from USA we have taken the fundamental rights. Ireland, our Irish constitution, we have taken the directive principle and the moral duties. We have taken South Africa. Many more things we have taken from other constitutions of the other country. And the third one is a blend of rigidity and the flexibility. Here we will talk about the amendments, and the amendments means it is a very flexible, because we can amend according to the article 368. We can amend from this article in our constitution. Add rigidity, it is very hard to amendment in our constitution, because we need the special majority for doing some important amendment, and we are having some simple majority for doing some a normal amendment. The next one is federal system with unitary bias. It means that India has the division of the power, and there is a central division of the central power division of the state government and the local government. So there are the three major power division in the Indian constitution, or we can say that the federal system. The next one is a parliamentary form of the government. So here is a description of the parliamentary form of the government, because we are having a state head, and the head of the government. Head of the government is the prime minister, and the state government, or we can say that the government of the or we can say that the head of the country is the president, or PM, or president. So here are the in the parliamentary system. There is a two types of the heads. And the next is the Westminster model. We are following the Westminster model in the parliamentary system. Next is here are the some features of the parliamentary government, that it is a real executive majority party rule, creative responsibility of the executive of the legislative, membership of the ministers in the legislature. So we have the next is the synthesis of the parliamentary sovereignty and the judiciary supremacy. So we will study about this topic in our next video. Till then, take care.